Welcome, sir. So this is our group presentation. Our topic is further with Firebase. We will we will focus on Firebase authentication, Firebase database, and Firebase cloud functions. First, I would love to talk about the Firebase authentication. So to demonstrate the Firebase authentication, our group chose to create a well-known media app called Instagram. So let's first I would love to demonstrate. So right now when we run the app, first uh, we will see a login screen. So if we don't have an account, we will create one. So the profile picture is optional. We can choose whenever we like. We can edit it later, or we can let it be. So I would love to let it be right now and create an account. When we press this eye icon, we can see the hidden content behind the password like this. And we can add a bio and like above. It's an optional uh, option. So, but right now I will write a mocking one, and we will choose sign up. After we will wait a while, and it will lead us to the home page. Right now, let us see the authentication console on Firebase. Let us refresh it and see if the account had successfully created. As you can see, the account has successfully created on the authentication of Firebase of our project. And here we can see the post of that have been test, and we can also um, like all and leave a comment, but I will leave this section to my friend later. Now I will sign out and leave this section, the next section to my friend. Thank you. Right now, I would like to demonstrate uh, the edit function of the user profile. So we will change the name, and we can also change the uh, user profile. Let's use this one. Okay. Um, and we will set a name, appropriate name. So let's say join con, and just for testing, after edit, and we will save the change. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, the profile have updated successfully. And this the name join, and this is the bio that after edited.
Well, thank you, Fact, for your presentation. And now I will turn to my presentation about cloud function and user interact with each other, also searching for a function. Now, before we log in, uh, we will run uh, the cloud function, or we can say that we deploy the Firebase cloud function. So here I use the code Firebase deploy only functions, and before that, to create a function, and before you deploy the Firebase function, you need to first to install the Firebase tool, which is the Firebase CIL if you haven't, and then you will log in to the Firebase, and then after that you will initialize your Firebase function and run a Firebase init function, and then it will create the function you want to use, and you will choose in the Firebase init functions. So in my project, I use mostly function about notification when user have a new likes, new comment, or new followers. So let me run my project real quick over here. It will take a little time. We will wait a minute. So over here I will create the private one for using another account, easy to look, and how the functions run. Okay, for example, I already have an account. First account I will call account A, and I will create a new account over here. Maybe happy camel, happy camel. Happy camel. Camel there, and I will sign up. Okay, it will take a little time here. Okay, so this is the A account named Dũng, and the second account is Happy Camel. This is not error. This is I create to test my posting function previous, and I didn't delete it yet. Over here you can see this is the feeling good. It's just created today, and this is created yesterday. So over here I have two accounts, right? I also have two UI. The first one is for web, and the second one is for mobile. So as you can see over here, the new create account has 0 posts, 0 follower and following. And for example, in the Dũng account, I will search for the camel, happy camel account here, and I will click on happy camel over here. You can see it, and here I can click on follow button, and just a few seconds it will show up in the notification of happy camel. And then I will create a new post in the happy camel over here. So I will create a new one. Is choose photo from gallery, and for example just a random image over here, and say happy coding, right? I post it, and in my profile you can see the post over here, and I will back into this. So the happy camel, as you can see over here, and this is the image. And for example, if I like the happy camel, it will show the notification over here. Yeah, and then I will click on I comment into the post is nice code, and then it will also jump into it. And wait a minute, where's the code? And the way it work is when it's detect new likes over here. This is new follower, and when it's detect a new likes, it will by it detect new likes by comparing the likes array before and after the updates, and it will prevent the self-liking what can I say, self-liking notification. Like it will not send the notification if you like it yourself, and then it will create a notification document in the notification collection. Let me pull my Firebase down here, and where I remember it's over here. Oh, it's in the file store database, sorry. So over here you can see the notification over here, and it say the comment text is happy coding, and the username is camel happy. The message, if you check the message and push it in the notification over here, and yeah, and that's almost everything. Oh, well, one more thing, that when the workflow will be when the user action will they interactive with the app, and the file store database will update as I show you, and then the cloud function will automatically trigger, and the function will read and write from write to the file store, and then the Firebase cloud messaging will push the notification chain, and the user device will receive it, like you can see over here. And that is pretty much everything, and thank you for your listening, and